Welcome to Finlay Motor Group. Today I'm just going to show you around this 2018 Volkswagen Caddy we've just taken into stock. This one is a long wheelbase Highline and it's in exceptionally good condition for its age and does feature a nice high level of spec for a van. It does have front fog lights, genuine Volkswagen alloy wheels, finished in metallic grey, and does have dual sliding doors on either side. Inside, as you can see, it's in exceptionally good condition for a commercial vehicle. Seats are unmarked and untorn either. Inside, it does have air conditioning. It does feature a touchscreen infotainment system, gives you access to everything from your phone to radio for Bluetooth media, calls and streaming. Has got a heated front windscreen. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. Does have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter mounted here. All your phone and radio controls mounted here. The van has covered only 103,000 kilometers from new. Has got automatic headlights, electric wing mirrors that are also heated, and electric front windows. Into the back then. Again, in really nice condition, and it has been ply lined in the back, and a sliding door on the opposite side is the same. Around the rear of the car then, it does feature a parking sensor system that comes up on the touchscreen, and you have got dual rear doors. Again, fully ply lined and in exceptionally clean condition for its age. This van will be supplied fully serviced and with a 1-year warranty. To get any more information on it, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 045 431 725.